Big alert for NEET candidates in Madhya Pradesh. Here's one of the tightest counseling crunches you'll see this year. 8,871 eligible candidates competing for only 60 MBBS and BDS seats in the state's stray vacancy round. If you are on the list, this is your final sprint. Listen very much carefully. Over here at Careers 360, we have covered this particular news basically, which says that eligible candidates can fill choices between November 14 and 16 and mark their online attendance in the desired college. So just read around whatever it's been written. The link of this news article will be provided to you in the description box. So people, the Directorate of Medical Education, MPDME, has released the list of eligible candidates for the stray vacancy round. This phase is for seats that remained unfilled after early rounds and mop-up counseling. And it's often the last state level chance to secure a seat. Dear ones, don't wait. MP is running a very short window for stray registration and choice filling. Officially, eligible candidates can register and fill choices during the stray vacancy window. So have everything ready now. Your top priority should be you need to download the eligible list, confirm your name and state rank, then register as soon as the link is live. So the checklist you must have scanned and ready out now. NEET scorecard, class 10th and 12th mark sheets, category/domicile certificates if applicable, photo ID and passport size photo, bank details for fee payments, upload clear scans. Blurry or incorrect files can invalidate your application. Keep originals handy for verification if you get an allotment. So, with 8,871 candidates for 60 seats, competition will be brutal. So, include government colleges and good private options. Prioritize seats you can actually afford and report to immediately. Lock choices early. Last minute rushes often lead to mistakes. Keep funds and payment proof ready for security deposit. A delay in payment can cost your allotment. So dear ones, if you don't get a seat this state vacancy round, don't panic. Track mop-ups in other states. Check All India quota or deemed university list and consider alternatives like related elite health courses or next year's plan. Many candidates upgrade or reattempt with the strategy. So keep options open. So people over here at Careers 360, if I just talk about the news article, please go through the news article, the link of which will be provided to you in the description box. Overhead, the advisory for the candidates. You please read it up. Moving ahead, I just want to talk about the MP NEET UG Counseling 2025 seat matrix. So if I just talk about Gandhi Medical College, Bhopal, it's a government college, course MBBS. The remaining vacancies are 3. Okay, talking about Mahatma Gandhi Memorial Medical College, it's a government college in Indore, MBBS course, and the seats which are vacant, it's only 2. Talking about Sham Shah Medical College, Rewa, government college hai ye, and the course offered is MBBS, and the seats, if I talk about the remaining seats, it's only 2. Talking about the government medical college, Datia, so it's a government college, the course offered MBBS, and the remaining seats vacant are 2. Government medical college, Satna, government college, MBBS course, only 2 seats are vacant. Over here at Careers 360, we have given you the list of the colleges, near about 28 colleges, which include government as well as private, and you can just have a look how many seats are vacant basically in these particular colleges. So that will be very much good for you people, a transparent and a fair idea for you guys. So guys, that's the reality, that 8,871 candidates, 60 seats. Your move must be fast and flawless. Check the official DME MP portal now, register as soon as the window opens, and follow the checklist in this video. Like, share and subscribe for live counseling alerts. Comment your rank below if you want a personalized preference shortlist. Good luck and act now.